Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you chapter 1, our solar system. In last class we learned about some important terms of a space, such as universe, celestial bodies, a star, galaxy, etc. And then after we learned the solar system, today we are going to learn about some more facts of Earth and the remaining planets, for example Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So let's start from the Earth. It is the third planet. It is the third planet from the Sun. It is the third planet from the Sun. We know that the two planets are Mercury first and second one is Venus. And its distance from the Sun is nearly 150 million. $150 million kilometer. This is the first point about the Earth. Second point, it is the fifth largest planet in our solar system. We all know that first largest planet in our solar system is Jupiter, then after Saturn, and the Earth is the fifth largest planet. It is the fifth largest planet. This is the second fact about the Earth. And the third fact, water cover 70% of Earth surface, so that it contains ocean, seas, lakes, river, etc. and ice also. Fourth point about the Earth is land cover 30% of Earth surface. Okay students, these 4 points about our Earth. Now come on the next point of our Earth. Fifth point, the image of Earth is blue, green and white. So I am giving you some images of Earth to make you understand. See this image. In this image, you can easily notice that here Earth is blue, here the Earth of color is green, and in the some part it looks white. Okay? So today we will learn why the Earth have these color. It means green, blue and white. So our point are, it is blue in color due to presence of water. Okay, it is white in color due to presence of cloud and oceans. It is green in color due to presence of land, because we all know that vegetation exists on land, so it looks green. Okay, now I am going to write all these points. Fifth point, Earth looks blue due to water bodies. Okay. Sixth point, Earth looks green due to vegetation. It means trees, forest. Okay. Earth looks white due to what I told you earlier. It looks white due to clouds. Okay. After these points, let's come on the some more point about the Earth. It is only a planet in our solar system where life exists due to air, due to water and due to land. Okay. So I am going to write it. It is only the planet who support life. Okay, student. Now come on the next point. Earth has one satellite, that is Moon. Now let's see the 10th fact about the Earth. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Due to which due to which day and night occurs. Okay, due to the rotation of Earth, we know that Earth rotates on its own axis, and due to its rotation, in some places of the Earth have night, and after some time that place have day. Okay, it means day and night are changing, are occurring due to rotation of our Earth, and it takes one complete rotation in 24 hours. So in one day we have 24 hours. Okay, now let's come on the next point. Our 11th fact is it takes 365 or 1/4 days to revolve around the sun. To revolve around the sun. So in a year we have 365 days, and due to 1/4 days in every 4 years we get 1 year is equal to 366 days. So every 4 years contain 366 days, and generally 365 days. Now this is the last fact about our Earth. Seasons are changing on the Earth due to its tilt from its rotation of axis. It means Earth is not perpendicularly. Earth is tilt. Okay, one-sided, so that season change easily. It means due to tilt we enjoy season. Its axis of rotation is tilt, which is responsible for what? For changing the season. One more fact about the Earth, that is, let us take a screenshot of all these facts about the Earth, and then after come on the more facts. Second fact about the Earth is it rotates from west to east. Okay, it means Earth rotates from west direction to east direction. Okay, I'm giving example. This is north, south, this is east, and this is west. Earth rotates from this direction to this direction. Okay, you are getting my points? In this direction Earth rotates. So we see the sun rise from east and sunset in the west. Okay, student. Now, yes, this is last point. Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. So that's why it supports life. Its position from the sun is accurate. So it is only a planet who supports life. Its temperature remains from minus 85 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius. Okay. So from this, student, we cover all the facts about the Earth. If you think here is some missing the fact, so today I am going to give you homework to write 5 more facts about the Earth. Let us take a revision from some images that will help you to understand very easily. See here. Take a revision. We all know that it is blue due to water, green due to vegetation, and white due to cloud. It is the third planet from the sun due to which it supports life due to its actual position, and you know that it is nearly 150 million kilometers apart from the sun. It is the fifth largest planet in the mass. It is terrestrial planet. Terrestrial planet means the planet whose surface are made up of rocks and metals. Okay, that planet is known as terrestrial planet. Left this point because it is not in your book, but I make you understand this point. Now come on this point. It supports life. I told you due to air, water, and land. Now next point. 1 year is equal to 365 days year, but 34 year is 366 days. Okay, and Earth has 365 days because it completes one revolution in 364 followed by 4 days. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. It means it takes one complete rotation on its axis in 24 hours. Then after, it is about temperature. It may be vary from book to book, so do not need to go there. One moon, yes, Earth has only one satellite. Earth has only one natural satellite who revolve around the Earth. Okay, and the body, the mass revolve around the planet is known as satellite. So moon is the natural satellite. Now come on the next point of revision. Yes, very good. We all know that Earth's surface is covered with water and it is nearly 70%. And I also explained that 30% of Earth is covered with the land. So, okay, thank you. Yes, this is our highest mountain. The height of this mountain is 8,848 meter. Okay. Now, this is the Challenger Deep, which is known as, which is in the Pacific Ocean, and it is also known as Mariana Trench, which is the lowest point. It is the lowest point. Let us see. Here is given. It is the height of Mount Everest, and it is the lowest point. It is the highest point of the Earth where we can go, and it is the lowest point of the Earth where we can go. This is our Mount Everest, okay, and this is Mariana Trench, and where it is in Pacific Ocean. So from this, student, we come to the end of our topic about Earth. Now come on, and let's take more information, more knowledge about the remaining planets. So come on, the another planet. Yes. Now Mars. Mars in Hindi this is known as Mangal. Okay, we all know that NASA is always researching on the Mars to know that life exists there or not. So let's start a planet Mars. It is the fourth planet, and we also know that only Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, these four planets are known as inner planet. I told you and I explained you earlier. Now let's come on this point. Second point is, it is a smaller planet than the Earth. Left it, I am going to give you some point which is related to your books. After these 2 points, I am going to explain you Mars is red in color. Okay? Now you can ask a question to me, sir, why the color of Mars is red? It is red in color because it is made up of red soil. See here, terrestrial planet means again made up of rocky and metals. Its surface is made up of rocky and metals. Okay, so Mars is red in color due to red soil. You are getting my points or not? Yes. Now I explain you Mars is rocky, dusty, and left it. I explained that here. Now Mars has an ice cap like Earth. It means ice is present there. Okay. On the Mars, ice is present there. So, and remember also one thing. There is also thin atmosphere. What? Include thin atmosphere. Not the atmosphere like Earth to protect that from the sun's ultraviolet rays, and also behave as a blanket to keep the Earth warm and cold. There is no need to remember these points. 1 year is equal to 680 days or 1 day is equal to 24 Earth hours. Okay, so left it. But as for your knowledge, I want to go through it. 1 year of Mars is equal to 687 days. It means Mars revolves around the Sun in 687 days. Okay, and similarly, 1 day is equal to 24 Earth hours and 37 minutes. It means it rotates on its own axis in 24 hours. Then after temperature is here. Now this is our main point which is related to our books. This one. Mars is only a planet which have two moons. Okay, and the name of moons is Phobos and Deimos. These are the 2 moons. Now let's come on what are the main points. This is our first point. Okay, this is our second point, why it has red color. This is third point, and then after this one is fourth point. After that, this is fifth point, and then after this one, this is sixth point. And we have to read this according to our book. As for your knowledge, I go through it, but where I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Only those points you have to write in your class work home page. Okay student, now we learn about the all inner planets. Now come on the outer planets. It means from Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus to Neptune. At first, write it or take a screenshot about it. Now come on the next point. Now come on student, here and learn about Jupiter. It is the fifth planet from the sun. Okay, and it is the largest planet in our solar system. This is our first point, this is our second point. Okay, and you also remember one thing, that Jupiter is known as outer planet. Why it is outer planet? Because its distance from the sun. Okay, it is known as gas planet. Do you know why it is known as gas planet? It is our third point because it is made up of hydrogen and helium. Also including these points about ammonia, clouds of ammonia and water. Okay, now left this point, left 1 year, 1 day, there is no need to go through it. And temperature, yes, this is our main point. 67 moon. It has 67 moon. It means Jupiter is only a planet which have highest number of satellites in the world. Okay, in the universe. So this is your fourth point. Now come on some more point about Jupiter. Let's see, is there something or not? No, that's it. Now come on the fifth point about Jupiter. It is 318 times in mass from Earth. Size of Jupiter is very large. Remember also here one thing that is not given. 6 point is its diameter is 11 times the diameter of Earth. So it is our 6 point. Its diameter is 11 times from Earth's diameter. Students, you are getting my points. Now come on the seventh point. It is the fast, very fast. What very fast? Rotating planet. Okay, it rotates on its axis very fast. These are the points about Jupiter. First point is fifth planet from the sun. It is the largest planet in our solar system. Third point is it is a gas planet because it is made up of hydrogen and helium. Fourth point is it has 67 moons. It means highest number of satellites. Highest number of satellite. Okay. After fourth point, fifth point is it is 318 times. Then it is 318 times in mass from the Earth. Sixth point is its diameter is 11 times from the Earth's diameter. And seventh point is it is the fastest rotating. Students, in next class we will learn about Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, so from this we come to end, and your homework is to write 5 facts about the Earth. So thank you, take care, bye bye, see you next class.